You've probably finally taken the plunge down the crypto rabbit hole and bought some Bitcoin or Solana or XRP, Dogecoin, Pepe, with all the crazy hype in cryptocurrency markets over the past year, and interested in learning more about cryptocurrency wallets and how they work. As scary and daunting as it sounds to choose a crypto wallet, set one up, and transfer crypto from exchanges to your very own crypto wallet, it's actually super simple and easy. Public keys, private keys, wallet addresses, seed phrases, secret phrases, blockchain, on-chain, off-chain, gas fees, transaction fees, different networks like Bitcoin versus Ethereum versus Solana. Crypto is riddled with confusing jargon for newcomers, which is a great sign that we are early adopters of revolutionary technology with likely insane upside potential. And lucky for you, by the end of this video, you will experience that aha, eureka moment and finally feel comfortable investing in, setting up, and using your very own cryptocurrency wallets. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and this is the ultimate beginner's guide on how crypto wallets work, different types of cryptocurrency wallets, and why it's so important to own and use multiple cryptocurrency wallets to diversify technological risk in this new speculative digital asset class. All in simple, straightforward concepts together. Let's hit it. Please be sure to check out our sponsors, GoBabyTrade, Uphold, and crypto wallets Tangem and Ledger. If we are not using AI, especially in crypto, we're behind. So profit from the volatility of the crypto markets without staring at screens all day with GoBabyTrade, an AI-driven robotic crypto trader that trades 24/7. Watch a video review here and join the free weekly webinar to learn more. Store your money and manage crypto with Uphold, a Web3 platform that actually holds our money in crypto there, doesn't lend it out like banks and exchanges, making it a safer and better option to buy, sell, trade, and manage our digital assets. And make sure you own and use multiple cold storage hardware wallets. Tangem is super affordable, extremely easy to set up, only takes like 90 seconds, the size of a credit card and great for beginners. And Ledger, Stax, and Flex wallets have extra security layers at the best discount on the market for our community. So scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Sweet. What is a cryptocurrency wallet? When we hear the word wallet, we immediately think of the pocket or purse accessories that hold our cash, IDs, credit, and debit cards. So a common misconception is that our cryptocurrencies are stored in our crypto wallets, like how physical cash is in our physical wallets. However, in reality, our cryptocurrencies are actually stored on a database that crypto wallets access and give us permission to manage our crypto, similar to how our online bank accounts work. So it's more of a familiar concept than many people think, and we deal with it almost on an everyday basis. Check it out. You know how we can use any cell phone, iPad, or computer to log into our bank account using our banking login credentials to manage our funds? It's because our money with our bank is on a database, not actually on that specific cell phone or computer we use to access our bank account. Other examples include how with any cell phone, iPad, computer, or smart TV, we can access our media on our Spotify or Netflix accounts using our Spotify or Netflix account login credentials, because the media is on a database that we access. So think of different crypto wallets as different ways to access and manage your crypto, like a Tangem wallet versus a Ledger Stax versus a Ledger Flex. These are all just like using different devices like a cell phone, tablet, or computer to access and manage our money in our bank accounts, or media on our Spotify and Netflix accounts. And think of your secret recovery phrase as the same as your login credentials to accounts like your bank, Spotify, or Netflix accounts. Except your secret recovery phrase is the login credentials to your cryptocurrencies on the database. Make sense? A pretty typical scenario we are familiar with. So just to clarify, in crypto, there are certain terms that refer to the same thing. For example, a secret recovery phrase is the same as a private key phrase, seed phrase, private seed phrase, private address. Yes, a bit confusing if we've never cleared that up, so now we know. Cool. Now with cryptocurrency wallets, most commonly, they will create 12 to 24 words referred to as a secret recovery phrase. And with those 12 to 24 words, we can put them into any other cryptocurrency wallet device or wallet application and use it to access our cryptocurrencies. So interestingly enough, a more accurate explanation for how a crypto wallet like Tangem wallet, Ledger Stax, or Flex wallets work is it's a device we can use to access cryptocurrency networks. And a more accurate description for our secret recovery phrase is it's a key to access cryptocurrencies we own on those cryptocurrency networks, similar to login credentials to access and manage our cryptocurrencies. Simple enough, right? Amazing. So cryptocurrency networks are known as blockchains, and blockchain describes the technological foundation of the cryptocurrency networks. So what is blockchain? Blockchain is just a fancy term that describes a running ledger of transactions. So as transactions occur on a cryptocurrency network, they are batched into blocks, so blocks of transaction data, and then recorded on the network. And each block that is recorded on the network is linked to the previous block, similar to a chain. Hence the word blockchain. And blockchains in certain cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have 3 qualities that make them unique from other databases and networks. 1, the recorded transaction data is transparent and that anyone around the world at any time can see the data. 2, the data is recorded in such a way that it is immutable, meaning that the data cannot be changed, forged, or altered. And 3, the network is decentralized and that the data is stored on multiple computers all around the world, meaning no one person, corporation, government, authority, or entity controls it, and the network cannot be taken down, stopped, frozen, or changed. Blockchains literally run off of algorithms, mathematics, computer science, and code, the same principles that govern the very fabric of the universe. Very neat. So putting this all together, the technological foundation of certain cryptocurrencies like blockchain and Ethereum make it such that we can actually completely own and control our digital assets and use them without the need for third parties that can seize or freeze our accounts. And note that we only completely own and control our cryptocurrencies when we use our own dedicated cryptocurrency wallets, not when the cryptocurrencies are kept on an exchange. Because cryptocurrency wallets use software to create and store our private and public keys, interact with blockchain networks, monitor our cryptocurrency balances, and allow us to send and receive digital assets. So to send, receive, store, and monitor our cryptocurrency balances and other digital assets like NFTs, we need to use cryptocurrency wallets. So a simplified way to understand how cryptocurrency wallet addresses work is to consider how our traditional online banking applications work. Imagine our bank is the blockchain, our bank account number is the public key, our crypto wallet is our phone or computer we use to access our online banking app, and our online banking app login credentials is our private key. So our bank records and tracks all of the transactions going to and from our bank account, just like how the blockchain records and tracks all of the transactions going to and from our public key. Using our online banking app, we're able to check the balance of our bank account and send or receive transactions, just like a cryptocurrency wallet allows us to check our balances and send or receive crypto. Now, in order to log into our online banking app, we need to first put in our username and password, which is like using our private key to access our cryptocurrency wallet. A public key is also commonly known as wallet address, and it's similar to our bank account number, in that if we provide anyone with our bank account number, they can send us funds. However, having our bank account number alone would not allow someone to take funds from our account. This is how a public key or public wallet address works. People can send us cryptocurrency using our public key or public wallet address, but they cannot take funds from us using our public key. However, giving our online banking app login credentials to someone would allow them to send funds from our bank account to somewhere else. And this is similar to a private key or secret phrase. If we give someone our private key or secret phrase, they can access our cryptocurrency and send it somewhere else. So listen up, this is extremely important to understand. Unlike traditional banking, if we give away our private key or don't properly secure it, and our funds go missing, we will likely not be able to recover them. This is why it is so important to keep your private key private. Simple enough. Yet again, very important. Nice. Another important thing to do before sending and receiving cryptocurrency is make sure we are sending the same type of crypto to a corresponding wallet address or public key that supports that particular cryptocurrency network or blockchain. For example, we can only send or receive Bitcoin to and from Bitcoin addresses, and we can only send and receive Ether to and from Ethereum addresses. Same goes for Solana. And the simplest way to understand why Bitcoin addresses only work with Bitcoin, Ether only works with Ethereum, Solana only works with Solana, and similar, is to think of them like software applications on Mac versus PC versus Linux, or like Apple versus Android. So basically, they are just different tech foundations using different code, which is why Apple apps can't be installed and used on Android devices, because there has to be an Android version of the app to be supported on Android. And some cryptocurrencies use just one blockchain network, like Ethereum versus Solana, while other cryptocurrencies like USDT or Tether are available on multiple networks like Ethereum and Solana, Tron, BNB Smart Chain, etc. And an easy way to figure out which cryptocurrencies use which blockchain is by going to CoinGecko.com, a free website, searching for a specific cryptocurrency, scrolling down to this block of information on the left-hand side, and looking at the chain option. Cool. So if we have another person's public key or wallet address, we can easily send them some corresponding cryptocurrency and vice versa. Also, when cryptocurrencies are sent or received, no actual physical or digital exchange occurs between the wallets. Because remember, cryptocurrency wallets interact with the blockchain networks, and the blockchain is where all the cryptocurrency transactions are logged, and it's also where balances are tracked. So again, just to recap, a cryptocurrency wallet has software that interacts with the blockchain, creates and stores our public and private keys, allows us to monitor our balances, and use their interface to send, receive, and manage our cryptocurrency and other digital assets. Now let's talk about the different types of cryptocurrency wallets available. There are many different types of cryptocurrency wallets to choose from, and each of them have their own pros and cons. And there are two categories of crypto wallets: hot and cold. A hot wallet creates and stores our private and public keys online, while cold wallets create and store our private and public keys offline. Some examples of hot wallets include desktop or mobile app software like MetaMask, Phantom, and Trust Wallet. And these wallets operate on our computers and cell phones, which are connected to the internet. So when we set up these wallets, our private key is generated on a hot device, which just means it's connected to the internet, which could be more vulnerable to being compromised, especially with AI, malware, and scamming tactics becoming more sophisticated. However, by far the least secure way to store large crypto investments for the long term is on a cryptocurrency exchange for four main reasons. 1. Exchanges are online, therefore hot, therefore vulnerable to attacks. Cryptocurrency exchanges are huge targets for hackers since obviously there's a ton of potential crypto that can be stolen. With any crypto wallet we manage on our own, a hacker has no idea how much potential funds there are to steal, while crypto exchanges are a guaranteed goldmine of sorts. 2. Due to lack of transparency, there is an artificial supply of crypto meeting real demand. Because exchanges lend out crypto we stake and otherwise between other people and exchanges, which basically means that the Bitcoin you're looking at in your account could also be the same Bitcoin 50 other people on the exchange are looking at in their accounts on their phone screen. Meaning cryptocurrency exchanges don't actually have all of the crypto backed one-to-one for all of their customers. So if there was a massive run on exchanges where everyone wanted to move their Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to their own wallet, there wouldn't be enough to go around, like we saw with FTX. There are some bad players out there gambling with our funds we leave on exchanges and can go bust. All right, 3. As we see with several crypto exchanges, regulatory bodies like the SEC can go after them, sue them, demonetize them by forcing them to delist a significant amount of crypto, which would destroy their profits, which puts them at a risk of going under. And 4, we don't actually completely own and control any digital assets we keep on exchanges. To completely own and control our crypto, we need to secure them on our crypto wallets. As we've discussed at length on the channel, exchanges need to be used as a tool to exchange fiat for crypto, crypto for crypto, and crypto to fiat, not for storing crypto long term. We need to be transferring any crypto we want to trade or exchange to exchanges, and then when we are done, transfer the crypto back to our own wallets. Or better yet, instead of using crypto exchanges to buy, sell, trade, and manage crypto, we should all be using the next generation of finance: transparent Web3 platforms that actually keep our crypto, and unlike banks, actually keep our fiat currencies like US dollars as well, like Uphold. Uphold is completely free to use, only takes like 90 seconds to set up, and it provides us with a way safer, better option for storing our US dollars, our fiat currencies, than banks, and provides us with way safer, better way to trade and manage crypto than exchanges. Check it out. When we store our US dollars or crypto in Uphold, it's actually there, it stays there, it's 100% backed. In fact, they publicly list and update their balance sheet every 30 seconds for anyone to see at any time. And they offer US dollar interest accounts to US users that are FDIC insured up to $2.5 million. Well, right now, as we speak, all of our money in our bank isn't there. They lend it out against our will. They don't publicly list their balance sheet. They hardly offer interest accounts and only insure up to $250K. And with crypto exchanges, like we just discussed, if everyone withdrew all their Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies to their own wallet, there wouldn't be enough to go around. With Uphold, all of our crypto is actually there, 100% backed, and the platform is connected to over 30 underlying exchanges, which gives us the best possible prices for all cryptocurrencies and way more liquidity when trading. It's free to sign up, so scroll down and use link below to access Uphold's correct and official site and redeem all special offers they have for us. Amazing! Now let's learn about the safest, most ideal way to store significant amounts of crypto for the long term. Cold wallets. Cold wallets are also known as hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are designed to safely create and store our private key offline. And when sending, receiving, or managing crypto, we will need to use the hardware device and go through more security steps, which makes our funds less vulnerable to theft. By creating and storing private keys offline with our hardware wallets, our funds are safer from hackers and other potential security issues that can affect hot software wallets. So storing your cryptocurrency on a hardware wallet is the safest, most secure way to manage your funds. Tangem wallet is super affordable, extremely easy to set up, only takes like 90 seconds, great for beginners. And Ledger, Stax, and Flex wallets have extra security layers, and our community gets the best discounts on the market, so scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. And there are 3 extremely important things to know about buying cryptocurrency hardware wallets. First, only buy hardware wallets from the real manufacturer. Do not buy used hardware wallets and do not buy them from other companies. This is because hackers may buy a hardware wallet, tamper with the software, and resell the hacked device to steal your funds. 2, as with all crypto-related activities, make sure you double and triple check the URL you're accessing to buy the hardware wallet, because there are a ton of phishing scams online that set up fake websites pretending to be the real website you intend to access. And if you access a fake website, you may lose your funds or received a hacked wallet. So again, when getting a crypto hardware wallet using the links below, you'll get to where you need to go and receive special discounts exclusive to our crypto fam, all while supporting the channel. And 3, we all need to own and use more than one type of crypto hardware wallet. Here's why. This is all new, cutting-edge technology, and different crypto wallets use different ways of creating and securing our private keys. That's why it's so important that we don't keep all of our eggs in one basket. Do not keep all of your crypto on one type of wallet. We need to diversify technological risk to truly secure our digital assets to protect our growing wealth over the long term. Tangem Wallet is a set of 3 cards that work just like having a set of 3 house keys that function as backups. It's by far the easiest crypto hardware wallet to set up and use, and they offer the first ever wearable crypto wallet, the sleek, stylish Tangem Ring. And check it out. When Tangem Wallet creates our private key, it is actually never ever exposed to anyone, ever. Unlike most wallets that show us the 12 or 24 word secret phrase, which if we do not secure, can be used to access and steal all of our funds. So if I found one of your Tangem Wallet cards, let's say randomly on the street, and I download the Tangem Wallet app to my phone and scan your card to try to access your wallet, I would need to know the access code you created when setting up your Tangem Wallet. So I would not be able to steal your funds with just the card and the Tangem app. While again, if I randomly found your 12 or 24 word secret phrase, I can download any crypto app on my phone like Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. There are a ton of options. And then enter the words, then I'd have instant access to steal all of your funds. And another upside to not having a secret phrase is scammers have become very good at socially engineering or tricking people to type in their secret phrase into a fake website, or by having people text or email them their secret phrase and then draining the wallet. This cannot happen with a Tangem wallet, unless you decide to use the option of having Tangem generate a secret phrase for your wallet, which I do not recommend because when the private key is generated, it happens on your physical card, not on your phone. However, if you opt to also have a secret phrase created, that is done on the phone, connected to the internet, leaves room for vulnerabilities. So to learn all about how Tangem Wallet works, how to set it up step by step, and how to transfer your crypto off of exchanges to it, check out this video by clicking on the link above. Brilliant. Now, Ledger offers premium crypto hardware wallet options like Ledger Stax and Flex devices with extra security layers. They are the first of their kind as a new crypto wallet category, which is a secure touchscreen, featuring a full keyboard and keypad, making it super user-friendly. Ledger generates our private key securely offline. However, it's different from Tangem in that it does use the popular protocol that gives us a 24-word secret phrase, and it's all generated on the physical device, not on our phone or desktop. Now, if we do our due diligence and keep our secret phrase a secret by not storing it on any online device where it is safe from anyone besides us from accessing it in multiple geographic locations, it's still an extremely safe way to secure our crypto over the long term. We can use the Billfodl, a solid steel case designed to resist fire, water, to create an almost indestructible backup of our secret phrase, or the Crypto Steel Capsule Solo, a solid steel capsule designed to resist extreme conditions for backing up our secret phrase. What's nice about this option is somebody wouldn't necessarily assume it is a backup of a crypto wallet when looking at it. What's also great about secret phrases is we can actually memorize our 24-word secret phrase, and if we needed to restore access to our wallet, we could do so without the Ledger device, just from our memory. While with Tangem Wallet, if we lost all 3 of our Tangem Wallet cards, we would lose access to our crypto. So again, this is why it's so important to own and use multiple different types of crypto hardware wallets. Ledger is offering our community the best discounts available on the market with free Bitcoin. So be sure to scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Ultimately, with this new speculative technology, it's extremely important to diversify where we store our crypto long term by using several different types of wallets, so we don't experience a total loss if something happened to Ledger versus Tangem or any other cryptocurrency wallet. Awesome. If you would like to learn how Tangem Wallet works and transfer your crypto step by step off of exchanges, check out this video. If you would like to learn more about Uphold and how it is a way better, safer option than banks and exchanges to store our US dollars and buy, sell, and manage crypto, check out this video. And to start securing your money and crypto with Uphold, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.